Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ashna here, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm doing a hair and makeup tutorial. So as you guys know, I've been wearing my hair out natural for the last couple of, I wouldn't say a month, maybe a month. And I want to show you guys how I stretch my hair. As you guys know, if you have 4C hair like me, the shrinkage is freaking real. Like literally, if like this is really how long my hair is like shoulder length, but however when you let it go it shrinks up, especially when you put product, and most of all when you put water in it. And I'm just going to show you guys how I stretch my hair. Now I've been having these twists maybe for like maybe like 4 days. Tip number one, the longer that you keep your twist or your braid out in, that's the curlier it's going to be. And those are one of the things I definitely do, because I want it to be very defined. As well, if you want to see what I use to get my hair curly, I will link everything in the description box, and I will have the videos pop up in the cards, so you can check those out after this one. But first, I like to use these stretchy things right here. These are just scrunchies. I just basically, I had this you know, in a twist out for 4 days. However, I've been stretching my hair while it's twisted. I never did this before. I usually stretch it after I unravel the twist. However, I thought to myself, maybe I should stretch it while it's twisted. So I would just basically, I'm just going to show you how I did it because I took them out already. So I'm going to I do my hair in 5 sections. I do 2 in the back, 2 in the back, 1 right here, 1 for the top, and 1 for the side. So I will basically take each of these. I will take a portion in the back. I always start with the back first. I don't know why, it's just a habit. So I will start with the back first, and I will just grab it like this. I mean, I don't pull your hair crazy. Like, just hold it and you just wrap it around. But instead of you wrapping it in one area, as you tugging on it, you wrap it down like this until you get to the end. Now this is stretch. You see how long this side is? I mean, it still has some stretching, so I just basically tie it like this to keep it just as long as I can get it. You see how short this is, and this is more down touching to my neck. So that's how I stretch out my hair. And then the other side, I just do it like this, but I definitely do it in the direction I want my hair to lay. For instance, this part right here, I would tie it down to the side, because that's how I want my hair to lay. This side I would on this side I will have it lay like this and then like that. Okay, so basically that's what I do to stretch my hair. Now I'm gonna just take out my twists. Before you unravel your twist, I suggest that you use any type of oil. This is my oil mixture that I love to use. If you want me to do an oil concoction, like my favorite oil concoction that I use for my hair for hair growth, comment down below, like this video, and just let me know and I will do one for you. So I suggest that you just put this in your hands, go like this, just to get rid of frizz. I don't mind a little frizz, however I do want each curl to be defined. So I just take 1 drop and just drop it in my hand, and I just go like this, like lotion, and then I go over it, you know, in the part, all this good stuff, and I just unravel. So we're gonna just unravel these real quick while watching TV.
No, I'll be right there.
See?
Look,
Okay, so I'm done unraveling. Now these front pieces, did I finish? These front pieces I'm gonna leave because I noticed when I stretch my hair with the hair ties that the curl gets stretched because it's in the front. So I'm gonna leave those and I'm gonna take those out later. So I'm now going to tie up, stretch my curls, and I'm just gonna be super gentle and make sure that every curl is in. So I'm gonna just tie this down.
Yeah.
So this is how I do my hair. I know it looks weird, but yeah, so this is how I stretch my hair. I stretch it according to how I want it to lay. I want it to lay just like this, so that's exactly how I have it. Now I'm gonna tie a scarf on this and tie it down, and then we're gonna get into the makeup. I am back, and this is the eye look I came up with. This looks super fire, like for real. I use the BH Cosmetics Orange Sorbet palette. Like, bro, I told y'all I was gonna be using all 4 of these palettes, and I am like shook, honey. Like so I'm gonna show you guys how I got this look, and yeah, I'm gonna go in with extra toppings right here. So now I'm gonna go in with this orangey shade, and it's called Zest. I'm gonna go in this shade right here, and I'm gonna just blend out the edges, and I'm using a Elf's tapered blending brush. I'm gonna go in with this yellow shade, and it's called Tangerine. I'm gonna go in with the Pretty Fresh concealer from ColourPop, and we're gonna cut this crease. I'll use this concealer because this concealer is super light and I want the colors to pop. So I'm gonna go in with some setting powder. I'm gonna set my lid. I always set my lid because I don't want any creasing, especially when I wear matte shades. And I do it with shimmer, but especially if you're doing matte shades, you should set your lid, definitely. But I'm gonna set my lid. Shimmer. If I show you how to shimmer, bro. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with, what does it say? Citron. I'm gonna go with Citron on my lid. And y'all, mind you guys, I did not wet this brush. Just look. Like, do y'all see that? This pigmentation is just out of this world. Like, seriously, no joke. I'm gonna use my NYX black eyeliner.
Yeah.
Okay guys, these are my final results. All I did was take down the little ties I had, and I just used a pick and picked and fluffed. And as you guys know, I just picked my roots so it could look even, you know, longer. So this is a retwist. So I didn't just wash my hair, I did a twist before I did this one. So this is a different twist out with different, like, I just added one different product. So I'm definitely going to show you guys that in another video. I just want to tweak it and make sure everything is good, everything copacetic. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you guys want more hair tutorials, you have to comment down below and let me know. Like this video, please don't forget to like. Did you like it yet? Did you subscribe yet? Like, I know you've been on this video, it's been like 10 minutes and you probably didn't even subscribe yet. So yeah, do that. I don't have no lashes on. Okay, I'm back because we have to throw some lashes on. Anyway, I just want to tell you guys, this freaking palette is fire. If you missed my tutorial on the other palette that's in this collection, I will link it in the description box. I will pop them in the cards. These freaking shades are so freaking pigmented and fire. Like, you would think this is like $50, and I think these are like $13 or $14 a pop, maybe 18. But yo, even the highlight I have on is a eyeshadow in this palette. Like, you need to go get these palettes before you can't get them no more. And yeah, anyway, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Like I said, want more hair tutorials, hair related videos. I do have some I want to do, but if y'all want to see it, y'all gotta let me know, because if I don't want to film and y'all don't watch, because I'm gonna be upset. Okay, just kidding, but I am though. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. The sun is really playing me, like, oh lord, me and the sun gotta have a talk. Like, sis, when I'm filming, I need you to be consistent, okay? I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, of course, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Laters.